What's up, everyone? Welcome back if you are returning. If not, glad you're here. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've been meaning to do for a while. I'm going to be making a tool that I've been seeing a lot of people use, and I really like it. I really like the way they look, so I'm going to make one. But I'm not going to tell you what it is, so you're going to have to stick around and see what that is. So let's get started. Alright guys, here it is. A simple wood mallet that I used scrap that was laying around the shop for. But this thing is going to really come in handy. I didn't really do any kind of proper measurement. I just wanted to build something fast. And I wanted something that was still going to get the job done when I need it to get done. So I'm really happy with this thing. I'm really happy the way it turned out. It's not fancy. It's not, you know, a super expensive exotic wood mallet. But it's going to do what it is supposed to do. And that's the main thing. That's what's most important to me when it comes to tools, if it gets the job done. It doesn't have to be expensive as long as it works. This thing works. I already have used it, testing it out. I had to put some string ferrules for a through body into a body that you guys will see soon. And this thing was a huge help. I was able to put a dowel down in it and pound it into the body, so it works really well. Again, it's not something that it's going to cost you a whole bunch of money to make, but it's going to save you a whole bunch of time. And I'm really excited to have this in my collection now because it's a one-of-a-kind me. If you guys have ever built any of your own tools, I'd love to check them out. So make sure you leave me a comment down in the comments below. And let me know what you think of this thing. I mean, it's not great, but I think it's awesome. Because I like it. Anyways, so in less time than you have spent watching this video, I made this. You can make one too. All you gotta do is have the idea and try it out. So again, thank you guys for checking out the video. This has been a fun little 5-minute build, if that. But I appreciate all you guys checking out my videos and hopefully hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you haven't, do it now. And yeah, keep building, keep having fun. See you guys next time.